Let's look at the four major differences of LED lighting systems. The first will be safety and quality certifications. UL, or Underwriters Laboratories, was formed 130 years ago. It is a third-party testing lab. It certifies and tests many products in your home, such as TVs, microwaves, toasters, refrigerators, etc. It has the highest levels of safety and quality testing in America. UR is a recognized component mark by Underwriters Laboratory. The mark is for components that make up finished products. This is a good certification. ETL stands for Electrical Testing Laboratories, founded by Thomas Edison. It tests and inspects at the same standards as UL. ETL is a third-party testing, inspection, and certification company. You will find this also in many products in your home. The CE logo means that it conforms to European Health, Safety, and Environmental Protection Standards. It is not a quality indicator or a certification mark like UL or ETL. The CE mark is a self-certification mark. It is performed by the manufacturers themselves, not a third-party laboratory. So are you really getting a good certification if they are certifying the product themselves? RoHS, it means the restriction of hazardous substances in electrical and electronic equipment. It is a self-certification mark. RoHS may be found on UL and ETL products. It does not carry a UL or ETL certification. If you want a high-quality, safe product for your home, look for these three logos. The next few pictures will show the thickness and the width of our LED strips compared to Amazon and eBay, the cheaper strips. The first one, you'll notice that the strip is almost 3 7/8 times thicker. The next one shows the width, and the width is 32% wider than the Amazon and eBay. So what does this mean? You will get better power out to the strips and the chips. They'll run cooler, more efficient, and the light will be even and the same color. This is a cheap strip made with very little copper. You can see how flimsy it is. This is our heavy copper strip. This is a perfect example of an LED strip made with a thin copper conductor. The chip and the resistors get hot and burn up. This is a fire looking to happen in your home. Just like a good copper strip, the LED chips are just as important. Look at the left LED chip. You can see clear through it. The one on the right is fully coated. This is a phosphor that emits the light. If you look around the chip on the left, you can even see the waves where the chip and the strip got hot during the soldering operation. Here's just another way that manufacturers of poor LED lighting strips can make them less expensive. You can see the distance and the spacing between the LED chips. This is an example of what happens when chips are too far apart. It leaves humps of light on your ceiling. Cheap LED lighting manufacturers advertise one of the two 3M tapes in this photo. The fact is, you get a poor quality tape like the Crown 512. It will eventually let go and fall off your wall. We only use 3M 300 LSE top quality tape. Power supplies are the most important component of any LED lighting system. You must have the correct voltage and wattage for your LED lights to operate correctly and safely. Here are two very unsafe power supplies that are sold for LED lighting on the market today. The smaller one should be used on something like a pencil sharpener or charging batteries. The one on the right is a brick. It's a little bigger, it has more wattage, and it should probably be used on something like a laptop computer. They both run very hot, up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The wire that runs into the power supplies is a 20 to 22 gauge wire. That means the smaller one might be able to run one strip light. The other bigger one may be able to run two strip lights. Many of these are not even temperature regulated and they won't shut off. Here are a few examples of higher wattage LED power supplies that you can buy off of Amazon or eBay. This one says high temperature, please do not touch the surface. This one says electronic shock. This one says high temperature, please do not touch the surface because it's 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This one says high temperature, keep away from children. Have you noticed that none of these power supplies have a UL or ETL label on them? They run very hot, between 175 and 185 degrees. This is nothing more than a fire hazard for your home. This is one of our quality LED power supplies. If you'll notice in the top right hand corner, it has the symbol RU. That stands for Underwriters Laboratory Recognized. It is a component that goes into a UL finished product. You'll also notice a full line of other certifications. This is a very safe power supply and it runs between 98 to 100 degrees, even loaded at 110%. It's a very safe unit to have in your home. This is our professionally made, high-quality power pack. It's been custom made for great operation and to run safely in your home. Each power pack has a power supply that's mounted to an aluminum plate. This plate keeps all the components together. On the end of each plate, there's keyholes that allow you to mount this vertically, horizontally, or flat. Each power pack has 24-volt wire that comes out of the junction box. This can be custom cut to length of your home. At the ends, you'll notice that the wires are soldered or tin. You have no loose or frayed wires. The 120-volt cord can be made from 1 foot to 6 feet long to have a cleaner look for your home. Inside of the junction box, we have the 120-volt high current on one side and the 24-volt low voltage on the opposite side. This separates both of them and allows for no voltage or wire mix-ups. We have this custom plate that we've made and it keeps these wires separated. Another thing that you're going to notice is all the wiring that comes into the junction box has relief connectors or gland connectors that keep the wires from ever being pulled out. This is the highest quality, safest LED power pack that you'll find on the market today. Where do you get your reviews from? eBay and Amazon? Is that what you judge the quality of a lighting package at? More than 46 to 66% reviews on Amazon are fake. The Chinese have companies that do nothing except post fake reviews. Here is a gift certificate that we got with an order, and you can see it says $20. On the back side, it says that you got a gift card, and fill out the information and you'll have a gift card credit within 24 hours. We did this and nothing happened. We did turn this into Amazon as a review, and we posted it as a bribe, and actually the LED lights did not even work. But you can see that Amazon removed the review from the website. How do you think you can ever get a good review off of anything off of Amazon or eBay? I hope this video has helped you out on making a good decision for your lighting project. Crown Molding LED offers free design for your lighting package. We offer a full line of support, whether it's by phone or email. If you want a quality system that works great and is safe for your home and your family, it would be our privilege to help you. You can get a free quote by clicking on the link below. and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you.